United Nations Public Service Day, 23 June. What is United Nations Public Service Day? On 20 December 2002, the General Assembly designated 23 June as Public Service Day by adopting resolution. UN Public Service Day celebrates the value and picture of public service to the community, highlights the contribution of public service in the development processes, recognizes the work of public servants and encourage young people to pursue careers in the public sector. To recognition of the day and the value of public service, the United Nations established the UN Public Service Awards UNPSA program in 2003, which was reviewed in 2016 to align with the 2030 Agenda for the Sustainable Development. The UNPSA aimed to promote and reward innovation and excellence in public service. By recognizing the certain achievement and contribution of public institutions that lead to more effective and responsive public administration in countries worldwide in support of sustainable development. Each year, UNDSA organize the forum with host country using the event to host capacity development workshops. The United Nations Public Service Awards ceremony and the ministerial round table drawing together roughly 800 to 1,000 participants. The forum is a space for world leaders, ministers, and other senior decision makers to debate emerging issues and trends, discuss good practices, strategies, accelerated actions, and innovative approaches for effective service delivery and transforming institutions. Thank you. Have a happy United Nations Public Service Day